Hey folks, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So I'm doing a Christmas coaster.
Oh,
It's very
it's that
exciting.
time.
It is. Now, I got some of the most amazing glitters from Sharon Kerr over at Resin Supplies Den. And I thought, I need to make a coaster with this, as you do. So I took these little red, cute little stars and I put them in the edge of my druzy mould, and then realised once I'd done that they'll just stick to the
just
silicone and become flyaway. I was picking little tiny red stars out of my hair for days.
Yeah, and the carpet.
And the
everywhere.
carpet. Yeah, and I'm not even going to tell you where I found one, but yeah, I was in the shower at the time. So I I poured in some resin, and then I mixed the
Stars.
the stars around a little bit more. So top tip, if you decide to do this, put the resin in first.
Good plan.
There you go.
Good tip.
So I give it a little squirt and then I left that to dry. And then I made some red and white candy canes from some clay. But Kirk was not happy with me.
No.
Because I didn't film it.
No. So I did a recreation.
Yes. And this is how it went.
This is exactly how she made them.
Like that. Sarcasm. If anybody doesn't understand it, there it was. So I made these little candy cones. And then my plan was to have them go inside the coaster. And this is heavily inspired by sort of videos that I've seen on Claire's Crafty Corner, because she does big trays with
lots of bits and pieces in them,
where she puts lots and lots of bits and pieces like this in them. And I've never done that before. And I got a DTF from Amanda Togard over at Resin Supplies Den, and it screamed candy canes to me. And I just had
got one in his hand. So
yeah, I know, but I had this overwhelming urge to make some, or to put some in the coaster with it. And I can make them. I didn't buy them, I just made them.
Yeah.
You can buy them, but I made them.
But why buy them if you can make them?
And I actually really enjoyed making them. And I think that's probably why I didn't film it, because I was having so much fun just in a little world of my own. I mean, I made far too many, so I might have to make another candy cane themed project.
Well, I mean, especially if they were so easy to make, like how I did it.
They were. There was a little bit more to it than that. A little bit more, but so I put there's this candy cane that I'm using. I actually made using a cutter, and it's got a little bow on it.
Yeah, I saw the bow.
I don't think you see the bow.
No, because it hides behind those stars.
Yeah, it does, and that's fine because I wanted the different type of candy cane, so it's fine. And then I just thought I didn't really think about the size of the canes I was making when I did them. They're not uniform at all. They are very much higgledy-piggledy sizes.
That's okay.
And I
doesn't make any difference, does it?
Well, I think if you were a perfectionist, you would probably have them all a uniform size, but I'm not, so I didn't. I've got them. Let's go for this. They are realistic. They are real to life. Yeah, no, they're not. I was just making them and having fun whilst I was doing it. And so they ended up different sizes. So I used as near to the same or similar sizes as I could, but, you know, with the best will in the world. It is what it is. So I put these in. Now, I do believe that you should spray them with isopropyl alcohol, or dunk them first and all that sort of thing. But I didn't do that because I thought, you know what? There won't be a bubble. I was confident.
Okay.
I felt very confident there would not be a bubble.
So your confidence level at this point
was a 10.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a 10.
Wow.
That's how confident I was. Oh yeah.
And what made you that confident?
Well, because we have used the same resin for nearly 2 years now,
Yeah.
and I know how it works. So I know what makes it bubble,
Okay.
and I was confident.
So a bit like Saturday's video.
Saturday's video.
Yeah, the Stargate one.
Yeah.
Because that had bubbles in it.
Yeah, but I wasn't confident about that.
Right, okay.
At no point did I say, I knew it wouldn't have, yeah.
No.
No, see?
No.
See the difference?
Uh-huh.
He's trying to catch me out, look. Anyway, this is a whole another 24 hours later.
Yep.
And it's all dried. Now, the one candy cane on the right-hand side has dried. It's not above the rim of the coaster, but it is just a little bit proud of everything else. So I was a bit sort of, is that going to need sanding?
Is it going to stick out? Yeah.
But I thought we'll just go with it and we'll see.
Yeah.
So this is a new paste that we got from our last order to Just Resin.
Yeah.
And it is just the basic red. And it is red.
It's a nice red. It is a really nice red.
So exactly what I wanted. I wanted a Christmassy red because we don't actually have a Christmassy red. And this red is about as Christmassy as it gets to my eyes.
Yeah.
I felt. And it gets more Christmassy as this goes on. It does. It starts off pretty Christmassy. By the time it's done, it's singing jingle bells and sitting on a sleigh. Honestly.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's Christmassy.
It's Christmassy. Yeah. So
our first Christmas video has just gone full out.
Full out.
Whole hog Christmas.
Yep.
So it's all downhill from here then.
Pretty much. Yeah. We've peaked too early, I feel. Yeah. I feel that we could well have peaked a little early. But watch this. So that one on the left is that's the candy cane that I was talking about.
Yeah.
It's just a little proud. But I have a cunning plan for that. It's fine.
Yeah, it's the bottom.
There's going to be a bit of cork over it, so it'll be fine. I'm just going to sand it back a little bit, and that's where I'll put one of the cork feet, so it's fine. You won't even know it's there, unless you've watched the video. So, are you ready for this? Are you ready? Because I turn it over, and I was like, ooh.
Ooh.
I was like, ooh, look how pretty. I was genuinely quite,
I think that looks really cool.
I was like, wow.
Yeah.
Look at me. Getting all Christmassy and sparkly.
I know. Now, you can see the stars just, but I think the druzy mould sort of hides it.
It does, but it does, but it does give it that extra little bit of sparkle.
Yeah.
So,
you can see the sparkle, but you can't see that they're stars.
Well, look harder, is what I say.
Yeah.
So these are the DTFs that I got from Amanda over at Resin Supplies Den. I will leave a link down in the description because her Christmas DTFs are stunning.
All the DTFs are, to be fair.
Literally every single one is just, yeah.
We have a few now.
Yeah, we do. But I've seen that there are some others, and I do need some more, to be fair. I do. So I popped them on, and it's just the standard. Take the sticker off, stick it on. Don't get it in the wrong place because you'll never get it off.
Yeah, make sure that you put it.
Take the top coat off.
Carefully place it first, otherwise it ain't coming off.
And then I put Santa on his sleigh on that one, and then I looked at it and I thought, do you know what?
It's not Christmassy enough.
There needs to be just that little bit more sparkle. So it needed a top coat for sure.
Yeah. Because of the DTF.
Because I've put a DTF on, and you don't have to do a top coat, but for resin, I personally like the top coat.
Yeah.
If it was an eco product, I wouldn't. Ironically, go figure. I'm weird. I know. But I did all this, and I did the, spreading it around, and I was like, and it just so happened that my box of Just Resin sparkle stuff is in front of me. So in my head, I am thinking sparkles.
You mean Just Resin or Resin Supplies down?
No, the Just Resin box was there, which is what made me think sparkles. So I got down my glitter that I got from Sharon over at Resin Supplies down, and I thought I need to add some sparkles. So these are some little round laser holographic circles.
Yeah.
Sorry, and I thought I'd just have a go with those, putting them just around the edge. And I really like these glitters, and this is why I wanted to use them. And then I thought, not sure.
Not feeling it.
I was feeling it, but also not, if that makes sense.
Yes.
So once I was happy with sort of the placement of all of these, I thought, let's have a think.
What other sparkly things have I got?
What other sparkles have I got? I've got some snowflakes. So in went the snowflakes to the other one. So I put them around. I just sort of dotted them around. I intentionally placed them.
That makes a change.
Every single piece of glitter on these coasters are intentionally placed.
See, normally you start with the best intentions of putting them,
and then I dump them all on.
And then
I know.
Yeah,
I know. That's how amazing I felt I'd done with my coasters.
Okay.
My first Christmas coasters. Everything was intentionally placed.
Yeah.
And once they were all placed, and I was confident that they wouldn't move.
Yep.
I left them to dry. Can I just say though?
Yep.
Not a single bubble. Not one from those candy canes.
That's because of your confidence level.
Yep. Not one. Not one bubble. Not even a micro bubble. I was very pleased. I was so happy.
Okay.
So, and then it was just literally leaving them to dry. And then it was off to the glamour shots.
Yeah.
There you have it. My first Christmas coaster.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I think they look awesome.
I absolutely love them. And as I was finishing them, I was like, oh, I must make more Christmassy sparkle things. So, yes, it's full on Christmas.
Yeah.
Well, when I say that, it is full on Christmas. There's one or two where it's Christmas gifts.
Still Christmas themed.
But it's still Christmas themed.
Yes.
Yeah. So, there you go. What do you think? Any good?
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So, if you're still with us at this point and you think you would like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
And while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little tickle as well?
And if you already have, or you're one of our members,
thank you very much.
That always makes me chuckle.
Have a seductive thank you.
Indeed. Indeed.
Why does it make you chuckle?
I don't know, but it makes every single time it makes me chuckle. I don't know.
Is it because it's so seductive?
Well, it's difficult to answer that question, if I'm honest.
Why?
Well, because you might get upset.
So that's a no then. Wow.
And on that note, have a great couple of days, and hopefully we will see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.